Hey friends, welcome back to another Slay a Tray Thursday. This week's theme is do your own thing, which kind of feels like permission for chaos. And you know what? I'm 100% here for it. So I was racking my brain trying to figure out what to make. And then the universe swooped in and completely saved me. Out of nowhere, this adorable, super cute Hello Kitty mold showed up. I completely forgot that I had ordered it. It's handmade. It's from Into Resin, and they take a while, right? So it had been maybe a month and a half since I had ordered it. Completely forgot about it. But honestly, the timing could not have been any more perfect. Clearly, the Resin universe wanted me to lean into super cute overload this week. So if you guys have followed this channel at all for a while, you know that my daughter is 100% obsessed with Hello Kitty and anything that is kawaii and adorable. She's basically my built-in quality control when it comes to cute projects. If it doesn't make her yip, then I'm going back to the drawing board. So today I'm doing my own thing with a little help from Sanrio and maybe a sprinkle or two of daughter-approved adorableness. So let's see if we can, slay this tray and make it absolutely adorable. You can't have Hello Kitty without cute colors, right? You just can't. So I pulled out some of the Let's Resin mica powders. I've got a bright pink and a ballet slipper pink and a purple. So I think that these will all complement each other. I'm going to use the purple around, there's like a little border of like little round, I don't know, half circles or something around Hello Kitty that I'm going to do in purple. And then I'm going to also do some purple in her bow and then some pink around it. And then we're also going to paint her little eyes a blue. So I am just going to take and paint on the mica powder, and then I'll come back to you and we'll pour some resin. And can we just talk about how cute this is? I know it's not that easy to see, but oh my gosh, it is so adorable. I took the ballet slipper pink and I kind of just brushed it all over after I had painted on the little purple beads. I don't know what they are. The little half circle thingies. You'll see when I demold it. And so I mixed up a ton of resin because I didn't know how much I needed, because that is just how I roll. I don't like to know how much I need. I like to just guess and hope for the best. One day, I feel like that should be on my bucket list. Make sure that you come up with an accurate number for resin before you just randomly pour it. So I think I mixed up about 7 ounces, and then I added a little bit of white mica powder just to kind of give it a white backing. You're not really going to see it except for on the back, because I did paint the entire front with mica, so you're not going to see it, but I didn't want anything dark behind it since it has all of that amazing pastel goodness on the front. I did try to pour this slowly just because there are lots of places where bubbles can hide. There are all of these facets that go around the outside of Hello Kitty, which is really, really cute. And so I did just try to pour it slowly and just let the resin find its own path. As par for the course, I had a ton of resin left over. And so I pulled out some of my other Into Resin molds, and I took some of the white mica and then I just added some different colors into it just to kind of use up some of that extra resin. This little turtle mold is also from Into Resin, and it is so freaking cute. It's a shaker and it's so, so adorable. I absolutely love it. And it makes the cutest little keychain once it's like fully poured and cured. So adorable. I had so much leftover resin. It was ridiculous. And I have so many extras to unmold and now finish. But I feel like Hello Kitty turned out super, super cute. I absolutely love the colors. I think they are so pretty. But the one thing that I was concerned about was painting the mica powder on and having it take away some of that sparkle and shine. I feel like it just dulls the beauty of these molds. So I definitely want to pour this one again, and I think I'm going to do alcohol inks instead. So I'm on the fence as to whether I'm going to do UV resin for like the eyes and the nose and those little circles around, or if I'm going to do it with just alcohol inks and just with like a little piping bag or a syringe. Not sure. I'm going to think about it, but it's not going to happen for Slay a Tray Thursday because life has gotten so crazy and out of control that I've had no time. But I will do it, and I will post it to the channel once I do. But I feel like these molds really need something transparent to really get the full effect of the shine. So because I have not mastered the art of mixing the right amount of resin, we have tons of extras, and there are some hearts and some stars. I basically grabbed every mold that was in grabbing distance to pour the resin in before it decided it no longer wanted to be functional. So I kind of have enough extras to, I don't know, start a magnet factory at this point. You could do so many things with these like little tiny, there's like hearts and stars. You could make them into earrings. That's not really my thing. I was also thinking that you could put them like on a tassel on a bookmark. I thought that might be cute. So I'm going to have to think about what to do with all of these. But once again, though, the issue that I have is that I don't like the mica powder mixed in with the resin. It takes away from the shine of these gorgeous molds. So I think going forward, I will choose a different mold for extras if it has mica powder in it. So this mold was a mystery mold. I had no idea what it was. I mean, none. These all came in like the mystery mold package that Into Resin has. And so it's just this big round thing, and I had no clue. But look how cute that is. It is adorable. I think it's just like a little trinket dish that has flowers around the outside. But I poured in the pink and the white, and it's really pretty. Like the marble on it is really nice. So it turned out super cute. I don't know how functional it is for me, but it is cute. And that's a wrap on this week's Slay a Tray Thursday. My Hello Kitty tray is complete, and we have an entire army of bonus trinkets. So there's that. So don't forget to check out the playlist in the description box below and check out all of the other amazing people who participate in this collaboration. And of course, don't forget to mark your calendars for our next Slay a Tray Thursday, which is on October 2nd. Our theme is Pumpkin Patch. And if you've got a tray and a dream, come join us. Anybody can participate. Just email me or Beverly or Kathy, and we'll get you all set up. So until next time, keep slaying those trays, and maybe send me some of your resin measuring tips, because clearly I need them. We'll see you next time.